where is the safest place to store your wealth? And the answer to that is, it's not in money, because money can inflate, for example, and it can be stolen. There's all sorts of ways you can lose it. The safest place to store your wealth is in your reputation. And the most effective way of developing your reputation is to be of the most service you can possibly be to other people.
Join our $30 per month worldwide membership with benefits for only $30 per month. This company has been doing business worldwide for 3 years. The company website of the person who invited you has the details about membership and digital product benefits and coming discounts. It takes an income of over $100,000 a year to qualify to buy a new home. We may be able to help people who want to get those earnings to buy a home or other needs. This video is about how we are helping people. Very knowledgeable business people over the years have said you need to have residual income to be secure. You can get this by having $1 million in savings and earning 5% annual return. This gives you $50,000 per year to live on. Or you can have a residual income business. We offer a unique opportunity that can develop into over $100,000 per year, starting with a membership that costs only $30 per month. Some people want the earnings from our team building, but don't want to actively refer our membership. Others do want to refer many, and this can fill the pay structure of the ones who just want to maintain their membership. Some want to refer many because they receive a $25 fast start bonus for each subscription they refer and faster buildup of their residual income. People who don't want to sponsor but do want income are patient for a few months. This gives the sponsoring members time to begin to fill positions in their 3x7 pay plan structure. You are placed at the top of a 3x7 matrix structure in your sponsor's structure. You earn from people in your structure placed by your upline and working people under you. You can earn over $9,000 per month as your matrix fills. You earn this even if you don't sponsor anyone but just maintain your membership. You are paid $3 per month to $7 per month for all the members who come into your structure. Your structure is filled by 2 types of people: those who don't want to sponsor and just use the membership if they like, and members who want faster earnings from our $25 fast start earnings for each sponsorship. In the process, sponsoring members also find other sponsoring members. This is like finding a diamond under a rock. This is a symbiotic relationship between those who don't sponsor and those who do. If everyone found their 3 members in a month, the 3x7 matrix would fill in 7 months and be worth over $9,000 per month. There you go. Get your questions answered and get into our unique team build structure as soon as possible. Thanks for listening.